Lamborghini cars, like other high-performance vehicles, can catch fire for several reasons, most of which are related to the nature of their powerful engines, complex electronics, and sometimes driver behavior. Here are the most common causes. 1. Engine overheating. 2. Fuel leaks. 3. Electrical issues. 4. Aftermarket modifications. 5. Exhaust system heat. 6. Lack of maintenance. 7. High-speed driving. 1. Engine overheating. Lamborghinis have powerful engines that generate a lot of heat. If the cooling system fails or the car is pushed too hard without proper maintenance, temperatures can rise enough to ignite fluids. 2. Fuel leaks. A fuel line leak or poor connection, often after aftermarket modifications, can allow gasoline to come into contact with hot surfaces like the exhaust or turbo, causing a fire. 3. Electrical issues. Luxury supercars have advanced electronic systems. A short circuit, faulty wiring, or battery malfunction, especially in hybrid electric models, can spark a fire. 4. Aftermarket modifications. Improperly installed modifications, for example turbos, nitrous, body kits, can compromise safety systems or cause fluid leaks and electrical failures, increasing the fire risk. 5. Exhaust system heat. The exhaust system in Lamborghinis gets extremely hot. If flammable debris like dry grass or leaves gets trapped under the car or near the exhaust, it can ignite. Lack of maintenance. Neglecting maintenance like ignoring oil or coolant leaks, clogged filters, or warning lights can allow small issues to turn into dangerous situations. 7. High-speed driving. Sustained high speeds or track use stresses all car systems. Without adequate cool-down or with poor preparation, fires can result from overheating components.